Welcome back to Wealth Wave, where we dive into the strategies and tools that can help you build your financial future from the ground up. In today's video, we're going to talk about a powerful concept: creating your first wealth wave. If you're ready to transform your financial journey from zero to wealth, then you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our videos. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts, and let us know how you're planning to start building your wealth. The concept of a wealth wave. At Wealth Wave, we understand that wealth isn't something that happens overnight. It's built steadily over time through smart decisions, strategic investments, and an unshakable mindset. A wealth wave is essentially the momentum you create when you start making those powerful choices that set you on a path to financial freedom. Just like a wave that grows stronger as it builds upon itself, your wealth will expand as you continue to make progress. So, how do you create your first wealth wave? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Change your mindset. The first step to creating your first wealth wave is to change your mindset. This is crucial because without the right mental attitude, it's difficult to achieve lasting wealth. Wealthy individuals think differently than most. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. Start by adopting a growth mindset. This means believing that you can develop your financial skills, and that your current situation doesn't define your future. Understand that mistakes and setbacks are part of the journey, not signs of failure. The more you invest in your knowledge and personal development, the more equipped you'll be to create that wave of wealth. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Once you have the right mindset, the next step is to set clear, actionable financial goals. You need to know exactly where you're headed to create momentum. Think of your goals like the destination of a wave. You want to know exactly what you're striving toward. Start with short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals could include saving a certain amount of money each month or paying off a credit card. Long-term goals might include purchasing your first home, building an investment portfolio, or achieving a specific net worth. Having a roadmap will help you measure your progress and keep you motivated. Remember to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you stay on track and take the necessary steps toward your financial success. Step 3. Build your emergency fund. Before you can begin creating wealth, it's essential to have a solid foundation. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up will give you peace of mind and protect you from unexpected financial setbacks. Building an emergency fund is one of the smartest things you can do to get started on the path to wealth. Not only will it give you security, but it will also allow you to make more confident financial decisions without the constant fear of emergencies draining your resources. Step 4. Start budgeting and save aggressively. Creating a budget is the next step in building your wealth wave. You need to understand where your money is going and make intentional choices to maximize your savings. A well-structured budget will help you cut unnecessary expenses and redirect that money toward building wealth. The more you save, the quicker you can start investing in income-producing assets. Saving aggressively doesn't mean depriving yourself, but rather prioritizing what matters most in your financial journey. Take the time to track your spending and adjust where needed. Cut back on non-essential expenses and focus on growing your wealth through intentional saving. Step 5. Invest in assets that build wealth. Now that you have your emergency fund and budget in place, it's time to focus on investing. The key to creating a wealth wave is to start putting your money into assets that grow over time. This can include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or even a business. Start by educating yourself about the different types of investments. While there's no one-size-fits-all approach, it's important to diversify your investments to spread risk and increase potential returns. For beginners, consider starting with low-cost index funds or ETFs. These investments can offer steady growth with relatively low risk. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can explore other opportunities like real estate or starting a side business to generate additional income. Step 6. Use the power of compound interest. One of the most powerful tools you have when it comes to building wealth is compound interest. Compound interest is the interest you earn on both your initial investment and the interest it generates. Over time, compound interest can turn small amounts of money into significant sums. The earlier you start investing, the more you can take advantage of compound interest. Even if you start small, the key is to remain consistent. Over time, your investments will compound, creating the momentum that leads to the wealth wave you're working to build. Step 7. Stay consistent and focused. Creating a wealth wave takes time and patience, but staying consistent is key. As you continue saving and investing, you'll start to see that your efforts build on one another. The key is to remain focused on your goals, adjust when necessary, and never lose sight of the bigger picture. Remember, wealth doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of smart, disciplined choices made over time. Trust the process, and keep pushing forward. Conclusion: your wealth wave is waiting. Building wealth from zero is possible, and you have the power to create your first wealth wave today. By shifting your mindset, setting clear goals, budgeting effectively, and investing wisely, you're laying the foundation for long-term financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Wave for more tips, strategies, and inspiration. Drop a comment below and let us know where you are on your wealth building journey. We'd love to hear your story and offer support.